Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be straightening my hair. I have started off by washing it. I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt conditioner and shampoo, and then I used the Diva Curl conditioner as well. And I have sectioned my hair sort of into 4 sections. It's all combed out and detangled. I'm going to be blow drying my hair myself, and then my mom's going to straighten it for me. I'm going to put this Manuka Honey and Yogurt leave-in before I put on the heat protectant. The instructions say that I can put it in and then blow or air dry my hair and style it as usual with this in there. So I'm gonna give that a shot and we'll see how my hair turns out. I have my Diva towel, which is just a towel by Diva Curl for drying your hair so it doesn't have a lot of frizz. It's just a nice small size towel to dry the sections out a little bit. I'm just gonna take this section out. And I also brought a comb so I can still detangle it some more if it's needed. But I'm just gonna take the towel and I'm just gonna scrunch the hair a little bit to help get some of the water out of there. Okay. And then I'm gonna just put sprays of this in my hand. And then I'm gonna just break that through. And then I'm gonna spray Tresemme. Oh, this is the Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray. I've used this before, or Thermal Creations. I've used this in the past when I have straightened my hair. I spray a lot, like all over my head. And once I sprayed it, you just rake it through. And take a comb, just comb it through. And I'm gonna take a clip and just clip some of the hair out of the way. And this is the Silverbird Conair Pro Blow Dryer. I'm gonna put it on medium heat, which is this little button right here, and then I'm gonna put it on the highest air blowing section. And if I need to turn up the heat, then I will. But for right now, I'm just gonna keep it in between. Okay, so my hair is kind of wavy because I put it in a little braid to get it out of the way. But I finished the first half of my head. That's what it looks like. The shrinkage is real. Well, usually my hair shrinks up at least up to here when it's dry. But as you see, it stretches. So yeah, here's the length that is hiding behind the shrinkage. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna do the other side. So to do the other side, I'm just twisting this side of my hair out of the way, so that way it doesn't get wet again, and I won't get confused as to which side it's on. Okay, for each section, I'm just taking it out of the rubber band, and then I'm taking the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydro Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. I'm putting about 4 sprays in my hand, and then rubbing my hands together, and I'm just kind of combing it through with my hands. And then I'm gonna take my comb and just comb through my hair to get out the tangles and knots and things. Okay. Wow. Crazy. It's like an afro. Alright. So then I'm going to split this section into 2. I'm just going to twist this section out of the way and clip it down. I'm going to just spray a whole lot of this in my hand. Rub my hands together and rake it through. And then I'm gonna go through with the blow dryer. finished product. Just kidding. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna comb this down. Feel around my head. Okay, so this is the finished blow dry product. Whew, it's a lot of hair. Into the back. So now I gotta wait for my mother to come in and straighten it. So super excited, and yeah. And again, the products that I used when I was blow drying my hair are the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In and the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer and the Silverbird Conair Pro Blow Dryer. And I mean, if you care about which comb I was using, it's the Texture Pro by Wet Comb. But yeah, so this is my hair. Here we have the finished product, straightening done by my mother. Thank you, Mom. And yeah, straight. So yeah, cool. And yes, thank you. Have a fantastic day. Go like and subscribe.